August 23rd, 2023, a day imprinted in history. A day when India touched new heights by becoming the first nation to land Chandrayaan-3 at the lunar South Pole. The world applauded and every Indian's heart swelled with pride. At Excel Group of Schools, we too lived this proud moment.
When our nation celebrated the very first National Space Day in 2024, Excel celebrated in a way that was unforgettable. We were honored by the wisdom and the presence of Dr. Tessie Thomas, the Missile Woman of India, and the Vice Chancellor of NI University. She inaugurated our space exhibition, shared her insightful thoughts, and inspired every young mind to dream big.
And this year, 2025, the celebration only grew bigger. National Space Day became National Space Week at Excel. From August 23rd to 30th, our STEAM Exploratorium transformed into a galaxy of knowledge and innovation. A week that belonged not only to our students, teachers, and parents, but also to village children, people from social categories, and the entire community around us. It was a festival of science, of dreams, and of possibilities. The week began on 23rd August at 10 a.m. with the inauguration by a distinguished chief guest, Srimati K.S. Deepa, Group Head of Semi-Cryogenic Systems Testing and Propellant Servicing Instrumentation Group at ISRO Propulsion Complex, Mahendragiri.
She inaugurated 16 unique exhibits, each a window into mysteries of space. The exhibits include the introduction to space, the solar system, the history of telescope, the formation of universe, the evolution of Indian rockets, protecting our outer space, integration of AI and space mission to the moon, zero gravity, space medicine, the life cycle of star, black hole and relativity, agriculture and space, semiconductor and space, space economic and career opportunities in space science.
Every exhibit was a story, every corner a spark of curiosity, every student a budding innovator.
Our chief guest, Mrs. Deepa, shared her incredible journey at ISRO and inspired students to see how India's innovation in space came open doors from their own career. She urged every young mind to dream, to prepare and to contribute because the future of Indian space stories lies in their hands.
This year also marked a milestone in Excel, the launch of our pioneering Make Your Own Lab. The MYOD Lab empowers every student to dream, design and invent. With open resources from electronics to 3D printing, our students don't just follow instructions, they create technology. They solve real-world problems, contribute to the UN Sustainable Development Goals, and prepare for industries of the future. The celebration reached the skies with the planetarium shows presented by Space Trek. From August 26 to 28, students and parents experienced two spectacular shows. Step into the stars and feel the fires of the sky. These weren't just shows, they were cosmic journeys that lit imaginations and brought the universe closer than ever.
On August 27th, the gates of Excel Space Lab and Planetarium were thrown open exclusively for the villages. Nearly 200 villages, along with their children, walked through in 4 batches, learning, exploring, and experiencing the wonders of space. The gratitude was heartfelt, their excitement contagious. For many, it was first glimpse into vastness of the cosmos.
A total of 48 students became the torchbearers of knowledge, presenting projects, explaining concepts, and guiding visitors with confidence and clarity. This wasn't just about learning, it was about leadership, communication, and the joy of sharing knowledge.
One of the highlights of the week was the inspiring talk by our chairman, Dr. Sri Kumar. He spoke about the importance of creating, not just consuming, the very spirit behind MYOD Lab. He emphasized setting difficult and eye-smart goals, reminding us that success comes only when we push beyond limits. He drew the example of Elon Musk, showing how vision combined with persistence can change the world. Our chairman is our role model in dreaming big and giving back to society.
National Space Week 2025 at Excel was not just an event, it was a moment of celebration of science, community, and vision. It showed us that space is not distant, it is here within our reach and within our dreams. From Chandrayaan's success to the spirit of our own students, from the wisdom of ISRO scientists to the smiles of village children, it was a reminder that together we can reach for the stars.
At Excel, we don't just prepare students for exam, we prepare them for the universe. This is only the beginning. The skies is not the limit. It is a starting point.